Here at Flippin' Jimmy's Burgers and Chunks in Fostoria, Ohio. We're gonna have a review, let you know how it is. Flippin' Jimmy's in Fostoria, Ohio. We both got steak and cheese with onions, subs. We also got some mozzarella cheese sticks. 6 of those to share. And a drink. Look at that. Ooh. We'll let you know how it is. We came up to Flippin' Jimmy's in Fostoria, Ohio, and went ahead and did a review. We've been here once before. We figured we'd do a review. It's a small town business, and we figured support some of these small town businesses with all this stuff going on. It came to $20.51 for flippin' steak sandwiches, 2 of those, mozzarella sticks, and a fountain pop. I thought the sandwiches were pretty good. The sticks
were a little cheap tasting.
Exactly. That's it.
But the sandwich was really good.
The sandwich was very good. Very good. Everything seems to be okay besides the mozzarella sticks. We definitely will come back. We just next time we'll have to try them chicken chunks. They are supposedly famous here for their chicken chunks. So we'll have to try them next time for y'all. But that's it. Flippin' Jimmy's, Fostoria, Ohio. Pretty good. Check it out.